coldest air in years is coming to parts of the United States through the next week. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows a very high chance of below average temperatures in the central United States and a lot of the eastern United States, east of the Rockies, even down into the Gulf Coast. Temperatures could be 40 to 50 degrees below normal. The 8 to 14 day outlook isn't much different, with below average temperatures centered in the southeast United States. The 3 to 4 week temperature outlook is much of the same, with below average temperatures across the northern tier of states into the northeast. There's a large risk of hazardous temperatures over the next 1 to 2 weeks, with moderate risk over the central and southern parts of the country, including Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and even down to the Gulf Coast in Florida. Looking at our surface temperature anomalies, you can see how cold it's going to get, with off the charts below average, up to 55 degrees below average in some parts of the central and upper plains. This will make its way down to the Gulf Coast, with some areas receiving 20 to 35 degrees below average. Looking at the actual temperatures, significantly below zero air is expected in the northern tier of states, and this will eventually reach down to the Gulf Coast, with 20s and 30s possible as far south as southern Texas again, even into Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and the panhandle of Florida. Some actual air temps of negative 20 to negative 35 are possible in the central to northern plains. And like I've talked about the past 1 to 2 weeks, the cause of this is the polar vortex split and elongation and strengthening toward North America in the last week and lasting through the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is allowing bitterly cold air in the tropospheric polar vortex to sit over North America and enter into the United States. In tandem with this, we have our 500 millibar heights shown here, showing the immense blocking over the Arctic, sending cold air southward. The high latitude blocking is sending the cold air south and allowing it to sit over Canada. This is going to be the coldest air some places have seen in many years, dating back to February 2021 down in Texas. You're going to want to keep updated and stay weather aware, as these are going to be dangerously cold temperatures as far south as the Gulf Coast during the next week.